AI applications are transforming our daily lives in Australia and the USA, and it's fascinating to see which ones are taking off in 2025. For starters, health tech apps are booming, using AI to provide personalized health insights and telemedicine services that make healthcare more accessible than ever. Then there's the rise of AI-driven productivity tools that help us manage our time and tasks more efficiently, making remote work smoother and more effective. Social media platforms are also leveraging AI to enhance user experience, from smarter content recommendations to advanced moderation tools that keep our feeds safe. And let's not forget about AI in entertainment. Streaming services are using algorithms to curate personalized content, ensuring we never run out of things to watch. These innovations are not just trends, they're reshaping how we interact with technology daily. It's an exciting time to be a part of this tech evolution.